If your pool pump motor bearings are all worn out and making noise, you gotta replace that motor fast to avoid bigger headaches. So when you hear grinding or squealing from your pool pump, it usually means those bearings are shot. First, always turn off the power before you mess with anything. Safety first, right? Next, drain some water from your pump so you don't get soaked or cause damage when you open it up. Grab a wrench and remove the bolts holding the motor to the pump housing. Keep track of all the parts as you pull the motor out, because you'll need to line everything up again later. When you get a new motor, double check that it matches the size and specs of the old one. No guesswork here. Before installing, clean out any debris to make sure the new motor doesn't get gunked up quick. Then, carefully bolt everything back together and reconnect the power. Lastly, test it out to make sure it's running smooth and quiet like it should. One of the biggest mistakes people make with noisy pool pump motor bearings is ignoring the problem too long, which can totally fry your motor and cost way more cash. Another common issue is buying a cheap or mismatched motor that doesn't fit right or perform well, so always check the specs carefully. Also, skipping routine maintenance like cleaning out the pump and checking for leaks can speed up bearing wear, so don't slack on that. The fix? Act fast when you hear noise, invest in a quality replacement motor, and keep your pool pump clean and dry as much as possible. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to find steady work and connect with folks who need your skills.